Achieving success in a business often requires a combination of strategic, planning, consistent effort, and adaptability. Here are some key ways to achieve success in your business. Number 1, define clear goals and objectives. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Clear objectives provide direction and help track progress. Number 2, understand your market and customers. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. Tailor your products or services to meet these needs. Number 3, develop a strong business plan. A well-thought-out business plan outlines your business model, revenue streams, marketing strategies, and financial projections. It acts as a roadmap for growth. Number 4, focus on quality. Deliver high-quality products or services consistently. Quality builds trust, enhances customer satisfaction, and encourages repeat business. Number 5, build a strong brand. Establish a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Effective branding differentiates your business from competitors and builds customer loyalty. Number 6, embrace innovation and adaptability. Stay open to new ideas and be willing to adapt to changes in the market, technology, and customer preferences. Innovation can provide a competitive edge. Number 7, invest in marketing and sales. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes online and offline channels. Utilize social media, SEO, content, marketing, and email campaigns to reach your audience. Number 8, manage finances wisely. Keep track of your finances, manage cash flow, and ensure profitability. Regularly review financial statements and budgets to make informed decisions. Number 9, build a strong team. Hire skilled and motivated employees who align with your company's values and goals. Provide training, development opportunities, and a positive work environment. Number 10, provide excellent customer service. Exceptional customer service can turn customers into loyal advocates for your business. Address complaints promptly and strive to exceed customer expectations. If you fulfill these things, you can be successful in any business. in your life.